already there. Have you dreamed of making money while you sleep? Imagine waking up every morning and knowing that your bank account is growing without you lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Passive income isn't just a buzzword, it's a real way to create financial freedom. And today I'm sharing 10 proven passive income ideas that actually work. So stick around until the end because these ideas could change your life, and trust me, or the last one on this list might just blow your mind. And hey, before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tips on building wealth and living your dream life. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what passive income really is. Passive income is money that flows in regularly without requiring you to work actively for it every single day. This doesn't mean you don't put in any work. Most passive income streams need some setup in the beginning, but once they're up and running, they can keep earning for you with little effort. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and give it time to grow. Eventually, it starts bearing fruit year after year without you doing much. Sounds awesome, right? Alright, now let's get into the top 10 passive income ideas that actually work. Number 1, invest in dividend stocks. This is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of a company's profit just for owning their shares. You'll need some upfront money to start investing, but over time, your returns can grow significantly, especially if you reinvest those dividends. And here's the best part, many big companies like Coca-Cola or Apple have a history of paying consistent dividends. Number 2, create and sell an online course. Are you good at something? Maybe it's photography, cooking, or even Excel skills. Creating an online course can be a game changer. You put in the work upfront to record the course, and then people can buy it over and over again on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. The great thing is, once it's live, you can earn money 24/7 even while you sleep. Number 3, rent out property. If you own real estate, renting it out can provide a steady stream of passive income. Whether it's a single family home, an apartment, or even a vacation rental on Airbnb, you can make month after month. Don't have enough to buy a property. Consider investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which allow you to earn passive income from real estate without owning physical property. Number 4, start a blog. Yes, blogging is still a fantastic way to earn passive income. You can write about a topic you love, attract readers, and monetize your blog with ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing. The key here is consistency. Once your blog gains traction, it can generate income long after you've written the post. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale you made through your link. For example, if you have a YouTube channel, blog, or even an Instagram page, you can recommend products you love and earn money whenever someone buys using your link. It's a win-win for everyone. Number 6, write an ebook. If you have knowledge to share or a story to tell, writing an ebook is a great way to earn passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it super easy to publish your book and reach millions of readers worldwide. Once your book is live, you'll keep earning royalties every time someone buys it. Number 7, peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, and you earn interest on those loans. It's a simple way to make your money work for you. But make sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Number 8, sell stock photo. If you enjoy photography, why not turn your hobby into a passive income stream? Websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos, and every time someone downloads them, you earn a commission. The best part? A single photo can keep earning you money for years. Number 9, build an app or digital product. If you're tech savvy, creating an app or digital product can be a gold mine. It could be anything, a mobile game, a budgeting tool, or even a productivity app. Once it's live on app stores, people can download it and you'll earn money every time they do. Number 10, YouTube channel. Last but definitely not least, start a YouTube channel. Yes, it takes time to grow, but once you have an audience, you can earn through ads, sponsors, and even memberships. The trick is to create content that people love and keep coming back for. And hey, you're already here, so you know how powerful YouTube can be. So there you have it, 10 passive income ideas that actually work. Remember, you don't have to try them all. Pick one or two that resonate with you, take action, and start building your passive income streams today. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more tips like this. Let's take that first step toward financial freedom together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.